Hello friend. Yesterday I bought Tapo C210. So this is from TP-Link brand. So let's open this one and see how it is. So let me open this one. Yes. Okay. Like this. Okay, this was not required. This one is the quick start guide. This one is like where if you want to screw somewhere, then it will helpful. So this one is coming with the power adapter because we are in Singapore, so it's a from Singapore power adapter. Keep it side. And this one is if you want to hang on wall, on ceiling, then it will helpful. Let's keep this side. Now here it comes here a small Tapo C210. Okay, so let's set up this camera quickly. Let me put this one for power adapter. Okay, this wire is so long. I was scared like, okay, can it become, can you please put this one? Yeah, thank you very much. Let's put this one in the back side. Okay, this one is coming with the anti-skid. Okay, so now the power is on. So let's set up this one quickly. For that you have to install TP-Link Tapo. I already installed this TP-Link Tapo. So here I am going to click on add button, add device. So my device is C210. So I'm selecting Tapo C210. Then it's telling power up and check LED. Yeah, it is coming power up and check LED. So this one is fine. So click on next. It will ask for the turn on location. If you see it's detecting, allow, then click on next. Okay, this one is very smooth, no sound while it's moving. Okay, now it's connecting, telling me to connect with the Wi-Fi. So I'm just selecting my Wi-Fi. Let me put the password of Wi-Fi. Okay, I just put the password, then click on next. Oh, you guys see my password. Okay, fine. So connecting to your network.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connected.
Wi-Fi connected. You heard a sound, Wi-Fi connected. Let's see what's the next step. Yes, you hear the bell sound. So let's see, connecting to your network. So if you're able to see, I have another camera. It is in the background. I don't know you're able to see or not. It is here. That is from, this is from D-Link. This camera is good because this is, I will tell you later about this camera. Okay, so I'm already connected. Pair your Tapo device is asking, it's already connected, so I'm just selecting I'm already connected. Okay, pairing your Tapo device. Okay, let it pair, and then it's giving for the name. Let's keep Tapo because I have only one camera. I can change this name later also. So Tapo, where in this switch room, bedroom, courtroom, fireplace, home, kitchen, living room. This one is my living room, so I'm just going to connect it. Configuring, sounds good, got it. Okay, so you can connect with the Google Assistants, let it be do later. Okay.